The Peña family has made remarkable strides in their culinary journey. They've mastered the essentials: mise en place, knife skills, and selecting the right equipment for each dish. Now, they're eager to deepen their knowledge and take their cooking to new heights. Clementine is excited to lead a cooking demonstration, with Pepe and Olive looking forward to watching and participating. In this lesson, we'll help Clementine take some crucial next steps in the kitchen to ensure she's fully prepared for her demonstration. We'll start by teaching her how to effectively read and use a recipe, a foundational skill that's key to successful cooking. Understanding a recipe isn't just about following instructions. It's about grasping the nuances that make a dish truly shine. Next, we'll explore the various methods of measuring ingredients. Understanding how to properly measure different ingredients can help you obtain consistent and tasty dishes. We'll also dive into what factors impact cooking times and how to choose the best cookware for different types of foods. Knowledge that can turn good meals into great ones. Clementine has also noticed that some recipes don't quite make enough food to feed her entire family, and she's eager to learn how to adjust them easily. We'll help her sharpen her kitchen math skills so she can confidently scale recipes up or down to meet her family's needs without sacrificing flavor or quality. Finally, we'll demystify those recipe abbreviations like AP and EP, terms that can be confusing if you're not familiar with them. By the end of this lesson, Clementine and the rest of the Peña family will feel even more at ease in their kitchen, empowered to cook delicious meals that satisfy everyone, and ready to tackle any recipe with confidence. Let's get started on this next phase of their culinary adventure.